Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with KNX 1200. Okay, guys, this is the next 1200. After this, yeah, after this particular asset got to the support zone at this point, it was unable to break out from there. First of all, I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend mealcard trading tools to do my analysis right from here. So when it got to the support region at this point, it was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there. Okay, you can see it switching from a downtrend into an uptrend, and as you can see, it broke out above this trend line, so which also um, supports the trading indicator, and right from there it has been buying. So although it has gotten to a new resistance zone, if it breaks out above it, it's going to continue to buy. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above it, so we should watch out for that. Next asset is going to be KNX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, so started from the resistance zone, so till it got to this support region, it has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to pull back up. If it breaks out above this trend line, then it's going to buy more, and we should expect it around here. If it breaks out above the trend line, we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is also going to be a buy if that happens. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. PayNext 1200. This had been on uptrend, even though it has been trying to go back on downtrend, but finding it difficult. Okay, so this is forming a kind of head and shoulder. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity right from there. Of course, we should expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to sell. Okay, so right from the effect, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it's going to continue to buy. But for now, we can see a sell right from there. So let's check out PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999, and this actually sold right from this resistance until it got to this particular spot, and right from there it has not been able to break out from there, so it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and just broke out above the resistance region in our 4 hour time frame. Okay, so it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so we should take note of that. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. This had actually been very slow in movement. Okay, so FX volume 80 had been very slow in movement. It was on downtrend right from here till it got to this region, but it was unable to break out from here, so it started an uptrend. The uptrend movement have been very slow, went up, push up a bit, came down again. Right now it's pushing up back. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so um we will be stopping right here. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can start trying it out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.